Alright, we're gonna run out of battery on the phone. I'll have to charge my phone. Well, we are heading right into the wind now. Yeah, I watched a video of the Black River, and it was a couple minutes long only, but they caught a pike and a nice walleye somewhere up in here.
Oh, yeah. What do you got on these rods? Anything? No.
I don't think so. One of them might. Put some rod holders back there, you know, for trolling.
Uh-huh.
This was perfect. A mile and a
yeah.
half. Mile and a half per hour silently. Oh, I gotta figure out how to switch it over to miles per hour instead of knots.
It should be in your...
It's in the settings somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the turtle on the log.
Oh, yeah.
Here's another launch.
Where?
Right here for kayaks.
Oh, oh. .7.
Yeah, I like looking at this stuff way better. Not to mention, if we want to pull over and stop for lunch or something, you can do it on this river.
Yeah.
Because eventually we'll be in areas where it's woods on both sides. Stop for lunch, fish, whatever.
It's an optical illusion. Looks like that boat with the black cover on it is sitting out in the middle.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this was a good test too, because I don't know, you know, if the trolling motors are meant to run for hours at a time.
They are or aren't?
I don't know.
Oh.
We'll find out.
Well, you know, the nice thing is that you always got the gas backup, you know?
Yeah. I'm really glad I put that awning on the front too.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty cool the way you did it.
So if we could, not that we would be able to today, but if we did 10 miles up and 10 miles back without spending any gas money, that'd be cool, huh?
Yeah. Oh, look at this little boat.
There we go. Oh, I put some time into that one. Very nice.
Should take a picture of that.
Yeah.
Get it on the way back.
The lily pad. Very cool.
I wonder if he takes it out, or is it just sits there at the dock?
Yeah, I didn't see a motor on
I
it.
didn't either.
Cool.
Yep.
Oh, sweet little setup, huh? Nice. Nice little corner here.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. We're going 1.9 knots now. About the wind.
What was it before? 1.5?
Yeah. Wow, these people just got it made. Not too far out of town. Beautiful river. Now if it was crystal clear like the ones up north, that'd be sweet.
Yeah, for sure. One knot equals 1 nautical mile per hour, or 1.15.
Miles per hour?
Yeah. So what is it now? 1 point what?
2.0 right now.
Oh, 2.0? That means you're going 3 miles an hour? Or 2.30 miles an hour? And Mama and Papa and their 3 little ones. Still fuzzy.
Yeah.
You don't have an antenna on that, do you?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, yeah.
15 feet.
Wow. That'd be a good place to fish.
Yeah. It's been a while now, right? Been on electric?
Yep. $24.5. 9. 24.9. Is that a little rubber boat?
Yep.
Now look at the sail on that pontoon. You got quite a bit of sail there.
Yeah.
Hey.
Thank you. Oh, this is great.
Yep. I love it. That's all you can hear is the birds.
Some more deep water in the middle up ahead. Pretty cool.
Huh.
They got videos of them snowmobiling up and down here in the winter too.
Oh yeah.
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah. Swimming pool. on the map.
Oh, we're up to 25 watts now.
Cool.
Or volts, I mean, not watts. I'm glad I hinged the windows.
Yeah.
It's just nicer during the day. Need the screens at night for bugs and shit, but
You know,
the swan's coming after. I mean, geese coming after.
I saw it out of the corner of my eye. This is a good idea. Because when you want the floor space, you just fold them up.
Yeah.
Put the cot down.
Yep. And then I got 11 feet from corner to corner. I think I could hang a hammock in here too if I wanted.
Oh yeah. Well, I was thinking hammock here, from here to there.
It's too short.
It's 8 foot.
Yeah, it's too short.
Really?
Yeah, you gotta have at least 10 foot, I think, for a hammock.
Oh.